3022 Gem. Let's do this thing. Peter Lee is the nicest bloke on the planet. We're going to randomize this list one time. Dogs are boys and hitting all the good cards, though. One time, whoever is on top after this one spin is a box we are opening. Here we go. One time. Down, the number is 22. Everything will be all right. 22. 22.
I couldn't understand what you're saying because you were singing poorly.
Singing. Well. Hey, give me next to you. Hey, you don't know about me.
What you know about me? What you know about me?
Here we go. That's box 22. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top at the end will be the person in spot 1. Whoever's on the bottom, person in spot 30. Here we go. Shout out to Taylor Swift. I know she's watching. Big fan. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The top team is Denver Nuggets. The bottom team is Miami Heat. That is 5 times. Let's do this thing. Get rid of our randomizer. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. And we move on. We progress. The singing is brilliant.
Who was shitting on your singing?
Everyone.
Wait.
Sometimes there's a...
Only we get to do that.
You can get the same cards. Some teams have 2. Here we go. Oh, Prism Hobby Pack. That's very nice. Little bonus style. I'm going to randomize. I'm going to randomize it this time, even though
They can open it at home.
that's it. Wow. Alrighty. First up, Larry Johnson. Penmanship auto for the Hornets from National Treasures number. Actually, cannot read that. 18 and 25.
Such low number cards.
Yes.
Nuts.
For 3022, who has the Charlotte Hornets? Spot 18, Steven D'Souza. Congratulations. That song doesn't have real lyrics, does it?
No idea.
Next up, we have a Gem Mint 10 S. Gilgis Alexander, fresh from Phenom Silver from Prism. Nice little rookie there. Has just as much rookie stamp as his actual rookie card does, which is 0. So,
Oh, really?
yeah, his rookie card for some reason never had the rookie stamp on it, but Josh Hart did. Silver, Shai Gilgis Alexander.
How's it relevant what Josh Hart is?
Because he wasn't a rookie that year. That's for the Clippers, of course, spot 29 to Toby Wright. And I bet he's feeling all right after that one.
Spot 29.
Toby Wright.
We are Australian breakers.
No major yet of the top 4. There's been some amazing cards, but none of the top 4 that are on the sell sheet.
That Trey Young.
Trey Young, graded, rookie auto. That's amazing when that doesn't get onto the old celly. Oh, for the Pistons, 24 of 25. Dennis Rodman. Nice from Flawless. All the top products in this product. Detroit Pistons, spot 9. Justin Ballantyne.
It's like, yeah, we had you like NT and Flawless and Spectra and...
We heard you like high-end products. Well.
So we put them all in a high-end product. You're welcome.
Exhibit ruined my life.
By the way, here's a Prism pack.
Yeah. Well, someone's going to win it.
Yeah.
Next. Ooh. Oh, wow. Rated rookie, black, gold, 8 of 8. Draft pick number. Kobe White. That's a big boy. For the Chicago Bulls, spot 14, Aaron Gordon. That is amazing. What a nice card. Oh, boy. Jeez, if that is like 3rd down. Oh, nice. Prism Orange Concourse from Select. Graded 9.5 for the Knicks. Kristaps Porzingis. Oh, that is nice. Who has the Knicks? Spot 15, Brock Nielsen. Saw him on the post earlier. I don't know if he's watching. I hope he's watching. That's a cool card.
Did the person who got free spot in the first one hit anything?
I don't think so.
What a kick in there.
No, thanks for following. Don't unfollow either. We'll hunt you down. Brock, congratulations. Beautiful card there. Just see my numbers dwindling. No, soon I'll be at 1,040.
Congratulations, Blake Riley. You've reached 700 followers.
Here we go. Finally, we've got it's what? Oh my God! 1 of 1. CJ McCollum, National Treasures patch auto. Look at that patch. Oh my, that is an insane patch.
The detail.
Bloody hell!
Bloody hell, we're Australian breakers.
Leave me alone. Who's got Portland? Spot 8. Joel Harris. That's pretty damn amazing.
Congratulations, Joel.
That patch needs its own postcode. That is correct. Dave, 100% correct.
It's huge. It's definitely colossal.
No personals of Gem, all breaks.
Is that a basketball net as well? Is that what that is?
Yeah, looks like it. Hey, where would that be on the Portland Trailblazers jersey?
Maybe on the back. If anyone knows where on the jersey that is, please point it out.
What is Magda saying?
Oh.
God. Like everyone is actually sick of it now, surely, right, Dale?
I think it's just you, mate.
I'm the only one sick of it.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
got the joke of me.
No, I think you're the only one, mate.
Alrighty, and that was Gem 3022.